Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I'm Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. In today's video I am drawing in a style inspired by H.R. Giger. I am drawing a breast-shaped object next to a skull. To join the two I will add some pipes. The time-lapse represents a shade over 90 minutes of real-time drawing. To begin the drawing I add in the shape of the breast. This is a large oval with a smaller circle to represent the areola. I then add in the biomechanical elements by adding crenellation and pipes to the nipple area. To create my pipe I add in segments to give it the look of a hose you might find in your shower. I shade in such a way as to give some shadows to the pipe and provide it with some depth. Rather than have the pipe go nowhere, I draw something that is either a battery or leads to a larger structure. I'm not too sure. I construct this element with lines and arcs so it looks sort of organic. I then pay some more attention to the breast. I add some detail to the areola by drawing in arcs and lines so it looks like there is an exoskeleton in this region. Volume is built by applying shading. To give some visual interest, I draw in some nasty spike holders and some metallic elements stuck into the side of the breast. I then flesh these out with details of pipes and shading. This makes it look like the spikes are holding the flesh of the breast together. Perhaps the objects I have drawn on the left of the structure are draining lymph or providing nutrients. Throughout my drawing I am glancing at an H.R. Giger art book to get some ideas about what to add to my drawing and how to shade. The breast object is finished off with additional pipes which provide some more volume or structure to it. Rather than finish here, this is where I decided to make the thing sticking out of the left of the main object go somewhere, so I add in a skull which I plan to connect via pipes to the metal objects. I am not too concerned about anatomy here. As long as the skull looks like a skull, it does the job. After adding the connecting pipes, it is just a matter of applying detail and shading and then calling time on the drawing. I overlap some of the pipes to imply some depth, and that is about that. Now is a good time to point out that often after smudging the pencil I then need to go back over the drawing with an F or an H pencil to sharpen up the lines. And that can also be helpful because you can add a bit more shadow as well. Thumbs up of approval time. Here is the final piece scanned in. I'm happy with the main pipework and some of the smaller details. Have a go at this style yourself and share what you come up with via one of my social media accounts. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw in your sketchbook or journal, etc., subscribe, like and share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao and take care.